In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your presentation slides effortlessly. If you've ever needed to indicate that your presentation is confidential or simply wanted to add your own distinct message across all slides, creating a watermark is just the solution. To begin, let's navigate to the top of your screen and select the View option. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step in the process as we're about to enter the theme builder, a powerful tool that gives us the ability to customize the overarching look and feel of our presentation. Once you've clicked on View, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Theme Builder. This option is invaluable because any change you make in this space will apply uniformly across every slide in your presentation. Essentially, this is where you craft the presentation's blueprint. Now that we're in the Theme Builder, the design canvas opens up to us. What we want to do next is insert a text box. To do this, move your mouse to the toolbar and find the text box icon. Click on it, and then click anywhere on your slide to place it. In this text box, go ahead and type "confidential." Or if you have a specific message in mind, feel free to type that instead. This text will serve as your watermark. Once you've typed your desired message, it's time to make sure it's visible but not obtrusive. Use a light color to ensure that it elegantly resides in the background and does not distract from the main content of your slides. Think of colors like light gray or pale blue, which maintain visibility without overshadowing your slide materials. With your text selected, head to the Format tab. Within this tab, you have a variety of options to refine how your text box will look on every slide. Positioning is key here. You might want to place it in a corner or perhaps center it diagonally, whichever suits your presentation style best. After making your adjustments, it's crucial to ensure that your watermark is applied across all slides, maintaining uniformity in your presentation. With the text box in place and designed just how you want it, simply close the theme builder. This step might feel like a simple close, but its implications are significant. Your watermark is now seamlessly integrated across your entire presentation, applied to every single slide. And there you have it. What may have initially seemed a complex task is now a simple, repeatable process. Remember, this watermark can convey anything you wish, from confidentiality notices to personalized branding. By using these simple steps, you've enhanced your presentation's professionalism and uniqueness with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one.